Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be unboxing a 16-inch by 12-inch roaster with rack. It's from the Drew Barrymore Beautiful Kitchenware collection. It says it's Evergood ceramic non-stick coating. It includes V-shaped rack for even heating. It's large capacity. It holds up to a 20-pound turkey. It roasts meat, poultry, and vegetables to perfection. Its ceramic non-stick coating, food glides off easily. Durable construction for fast and even heating. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe, by hand wash is recommended, and it has a sleek design, riveted gold handles. It says its V-shaped rack cradles food for even browning and oven safe up to 500 degrees. Okay guys, now it's time to unbox it. Okay guys, so here you see we have our roaster and the rack is inside. It comes with your instruction manual, a card to register your product, and also instructions for quick tips for cleaning your ceramic non-stick cookware. Okay guys, so the roasting rack right here, it is V-shaped. It has a nice little weight to it. So this is the roasting pan. As you can see, it's pretty big. The color is white icing and the handles are in gold. As you can see on the bottom of the roaster, it has the initial B etched in. Okay guys, so as you know, I will be cooking in this. So if you stick around, I will have a video in the near future so we can give a good review on this product. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.